Hi everybody, welcome all. So today's syllabus is layer functionality, TCP/IP architecture, data flow and typical applications. So let's start with IP networking, TCP and IP architecture and associated protocols. So we have in applications we have SMTP simple mail transfer protocol, then HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, then we have telnet, then we have file transfer protocol, then we have TF TFTP protocol, SNMP protocol in application layer. And if we talk about the transport layer, we have in transport TCP, UDP and SCTP protocol is there. If we talk about network layer, in network layer we have ICMP, IGMP, then REP, OSPF, ARP and RARP is there. So these are the various protocols in which different applications work. So basically the thing is that on these application layers these protocols works in various applications. In data link we have DLL or MAC protocol, physical protocol. So basically there are so many devices which works on these layers. For example, we have MPLS 2.5 which works on data and as well as network layer. So in this MPLS technology we have both the protocols working, data layer protocol as well as network layer protocol. So in this way we must be aware that these protocols work on which layers. So let's see the data flow, how the data flows in IP networking. We can see that everything is 1101 form, digital format. We have frame headers, then packet is there, frame trailing is there. I will explain it later on. Then we have network headers in segment, then we have transport header, data is also there along with that. Then we have email and data is there along with that. So when we when we send this any data to the internet, or generally called ISP, internet service provider, it comes to the router which has starts from the PDU application, then segment, then packet, then it converted to frame, then frame converted to bits. So we already discussed each and every layer in previous video and previous slides. So in this way the application, from application to segment, then packet, then framing, then byte, then bits, it all converted, and then after routers it goes to the ISP, that is internet service provider. So in this way data flows. So let's discuss with the two networks. Host A is there and host B is there. So we are transmitting and communicating between both two hosts. The host A application TCP and IPN network interface at network 1 and again network 2. In router we have IPI network is there. So we can see that their peer to peer are communicated, which means application of host A and application of host B are peer to peer communicated. And we have communication system as viewed by the TCP IP protocol is there. So whenever host A and host B want to communicate via router, these applications come into the picture so that the effective communication can take place between A and host B. Now let's discuss about some typical application. Web services. World Wide Web consists of large network of web pages stored on a web servers accessed by the web browser. We all know that if we are clicking google.com, it's there are so many servers are there. First basic server is there in California. Some a part of that there are some 24 servers are also implanted all over the world, and as per the distance between the user, how it accessing, it goes to the request to that particular server. So in this way server and client communication take place. So in this each HTTP request response is used for communication between browser, proxy server, web server. Uses TCP for the transport. Each web server is identified by URL, we all know that. And if we talk about the email, to send and receive mail and file attached, SMTP client server message format for sending mails that enables mail transfer and storage in mailbox, that uses TCP for transport. POP3 or IMAP for email retrieval and manipulation. So these are the various services and protocols are interlinked when we access internet and when we access email servers. Then we have file transfer protocol to transfer large file data to destination with inactive access using TCP for transport. TFT or simple file transfer without authentication using UDP. Remote login, terminal network or telnet is there. When we want to connect from other servers, take the remote system from our system, then we have to use telnet command that uses TCP protocol. The network management, simple network management protocol is there for control and monitoring of network element using UDP for transport. So in this way various services and application works. I hope it has cleared all your doubts and give you very information regarding the IT and application and IP networking. So let's see you in next video.